once the breeding season is over, the cars will just disappear. Okay, that's the American white pelican. And the last one, number 8, that is the only pelican that we do not have them here in Jurong Bird Park. That's the Peruvian pelican. But if you want to know about the Peruvian pelican, look at the brown pelican. The only thing is that the Peruvian pelican is larger than the brown pelican. Okay, that's number 8. Just in general about the pelicans that we have here. Okay, Dave, prepare yourself. Now, every one of you here, if you have your videos and the cameras, zoom in at the tank. Because Dave fishes into the water. Ready now, Dave? Okay, let's go. Let's throw. Wow, look at that. Okay, wow. You can see that. Look at that. Now, you can, as I mentioned to you now just now, well, they have long bills. But if you look at them, look at the pouch. It can balloon. And you can see that the stretch and hold up to 13 liters of water. Okay, if you want to know how much is 13 liters, your Coke can drink or your soft drink can, you pour that 40 times. That's how much is 13 liters, okay? And of course, they are not that thirsty. They will just sip away the water and then they will just consume the fish. Now, the other functions of the pouch of the pelican, look at the pelicans right now on the rock surface. Can you see them constantly vibrating the pouch? Now, all birds, they do not have any sweat glands. But by doing so, it manages to cool them down. Just like us using the fans. Okay? A general talk about the pelicans right now. And it's question and answer. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Don't shout because you will let your neighbor know. Don't do that. And if you manage to answer it correctly, you will walk away with Pelican Chit Chat coupon. Yeah, not very exciting, right? Yeah, okay. Let me tell you. With this coupon, you'll be able to help us to feed the pelicans for free. Okay, we will move down to the jetty after that, after this, and then for those of you who have the coupon, we'll give you a packet of fish. Help us to feed the pelicans there, and then we supply you with our water for you to wash your hand. It's free for you. Okay. Now, if you know the answer, as I mentioned to you, raise your hand. Don't shout. The first question.